Hey folks, now we're going to learn a little bit about analog reads. So we're going to take some analog signals, variable voltage signals between 0 and 5 volts. We're going to bring them into the microprocessor, and in this case, we're going to have them compared. And the largest voltage is going to have the robot turn one direction towards it. And so to do that, we're going to use LEDs. Now the cool thing about LEDs is they're actually bidirectional transducers. You put a current through this thing and they produce light. But if you shine light on these, they produce current, voltage. So we're going to have two of them plugged in. So you can see right here, I'd like you to take two LEDs, plug them in, one into PC5 and the ground, the negative side of the LED into the ground beside it, and the other one into PC3, and the negative side goes to ground. Then I want you to kind of angle them outwards so they look kind of like this, facing in two different directions. Time for code. So here's a little program that's you can type in to make this dream come true. A light following robot. So we're going to include the Samurai header as usual, and then we're going to set up our motors. We're going to define the right motors and left motors, set them all up, connect. We're going to give them a speed of 80. That should get the job done. And then for setup, we'll take our 6 motor leads and we'll make them all outputs, which is cool. Then we're going to take PC5 and PC3, the analog ports, and make them inputs, analog inputs. And remember, these are the ones hooked up to the LEDs. I'm going to give it a second for us to pull our hands away, and here's the main program. So simple. It's a simple if statement. If the analog read of PC5, that is the voltage being read on PC5, is greater than the voltage read on PC3, spin right. If the analog read on PC5 is less than the analog read on PC3, then spin left, and then just keep repeating. So that's all there is to the program. It's so simple, so quick. So let's have a look at our robot and see how it behaves. Turn the light on first, and we'll just turn the robot on. Oh, wait, pay attention. Here it is. Here it is. You see it? Here's the light. That's right. Follow the light. And we got a beautiful little light following robot.